Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga and we are on my channel Stylemebetter. Today we will talk with you about my birthday presents because I had a birthday last month in March and I didn't have time to record any videos yet, and some of the birthday presents just came now, so it was a late birthday present. So now I'm recording this video. I know you will ask me about my outfit. This top is from, I think it was Bershka. It's like 3-4 years old, like a long sleeve sweatshirt in a gray color, and my jeans are from Zara. It is actually one of the birthday presents which I've got for myself. I will put a picture when I tried this model. I have a size 34 for reference. I will put all my measurements, of course, in the description box like usual. Not to make this video too long, we will start to talk about presents. So first I've got a very cute top from H&M. This one, it's not expensive, it's just like 10 euros. Now it's discounted. I wanted something in a polka dot and I decided that I need to have something like that. It's really cute. It has a zipper behind. Probably like it's difficult to show you how it looks like that, but I will put a picture also here. I've purchased this top now on discount. It still has a price tag and it's size 34, but when I tried it, I felt it's so tight on my breast, but in the waist, like here under the breast, it's okay. So I reordered a size bigger in 36, so I'm waiting until it will come, so I will decide which one will look better, and I will insert a picture trying this top on, because I'm afraid that the size bigger maybe will be too big, and this model should sit very tight. It's very fashionable now this season to have a polka dot again. I like trends, and this I remember 2018 I was crazy about polka dot. I had so many things with polka dot and then I was so tired of it, so last like 5-6 years I didn't have anything. Just I don't have any piece in my closet now in polka dot, so now I actually repurchased the thing in a polka dot because I missed it. Then I've got also a perfume, the perfume from Chloe. This was a box of it and it's called Lumineuse. Sorry if I don't pronounce it right. Mine is 30 milliliters and it's a small one. I wanted to try how it will suit to me. I adore this fragrance. It's so fresh. It's a lot of some vanilla or some sweets and some flowers. So it's this one that I want to have now for spring and summer, when I can put a lot of it during a day and feel fresh and feel like new me for a new season. So I really recommend it. I chose this from several of Chloe fragrances and I actually was already trying it a few years ago but never bought it, and now I've bought it and I've got a present from Chloe. I've got a present, this bag. It's actually necessary, but I think I will use this like a bag because this necessary in a light color, you see, so cute, and I can have it like a clutch when I go to vacation in summer. Can have it with some dresses. I also got a dress from by Malene Birger. This dress I had very similar from the Temu, which is not expensive brand, and I wanted to try to style it and feel how I feel about it, if I like the model. I sometimes do it. I purchased something similar but in a cheaper segment, so I can feel if I use the thing a lot, and if I do, then I purchase it in more expensive segment. By Malene Birger is a perfect quality. It has a cotton here, and here is this model which is called, now I see, Marciella. I have in a size small. I've tried it in extra small in our shopping mall, but I thought it's too tight on my breast and everywhere, like on this part. I hate when it's tight. I don't like it. I think I love when it's more, when I can breathe, and especially when you're on vacation, you don't want to feel like tight, and if you had a suntan especially. And this color is like beige. Then I've got a bag, two bags, and you will probably think I'm crazy, but I will probably choose one of them, because one of them I just got just now from the site called Minto, and another I got from what was it, Farfetch. It was from My Teresa. Was love from My Teresa, and it's Prada bags. They both are the same model but different colors. I couldn't decide which one suits better for me, so I decided I will take both of them, and then I decide at home. So here are some big papers. We will open first which one is already opened. I got it a few days ago, and another one I got just now. The courier came. Here I will show you the box. Okay, here is the box. So this one is in the blue. It's like a blue, I thought it's a black, but it's like a blue dust bag, and you can see the box is dark blue also, and here is light blue inside. The shiny beautiful 90 bag in this model. It's called the Ray Edition 200 in nylon, and it's one size, and it's with these shiny crystals. I was thinking about this bag for a few years actually. I never clicked the button to just purchase it. I don't know why, but I saw it so many times, and for me it's classics. It doesn't go unfashionable, this model, and as I have a lot of black bags, so I don't need one more in this style. I have a small Bottega Veneta bag, so I decided that in this beautiful sparkling edition I needed more, so it will be some evening bag almost, but I will explain to you. It's not completely for all the outfits, because it will not go good with very evening classical outfits. It's more like trendy style, it's more like sporty style because of the nylon and the form. And we will do the unboxing of another bag in another color. I want to open it with you. Maybe you will give me your advice. Looks like it's the same color and the same size. So I'm very curious which one I will like more, because I never saw this bag in real life. That one I saw, and this one is exactly the same set, and it's actually yellow color. As I see it now, it's more like yellow than a golden, and we will compare them. Here they are, and let me look at it. It's so stunning. In the evening it will look more bright, more shiny. Have a look at this. Of course I will put a clip of the bags when they are in the artificial lights in the evening, and you will see. We'll see what we like most. This small part is made in the leather, and this also. Do I need to open a bag to show you what they fit inside? Because I think they'll pretty understand that it's pretty much space inside. Got some small. So this is more sensitive color, the lighter, but it's so soft. I can have a lot of things here, like a wallet, makeup. Why did I order a second one? Because first I thought that I want a black one, and then I decided that Maybe the black one doesn't go good with all my outfits, especially in summer on vacations when I have light color white dresses. Then maybe the gold one is more suitable to everything, and I will do my final decision when I will try all these two bags with something. But I want to ask your opinion. How do you think? Is it more useful to have in a closet, more easier to have in a golden or in a black color? How do you think which one I should keep and return, or maybe I should keep both? Like, write all your ideas. I'm very curious to read it. And the last present is something from Hermes, one of my favorite brands, of course, and I've been to Hermes a few days after my birthday because we were traveling before, so I didn't have time to go there before, so I consider it to be my birthday present. It was like first one from me to me. I've got also some testers of perfumes. I can show you those if you're interested. I didn't try them yet. And what do I have here? It's a box, and this is, I'll show you. I was thinking about these shoes for quite long. I already have one shoes from Hermes, but I wanted more. I want another color, and these one are these orange sandals in a golden color. Color is called gold, but it's definitely not the same gold like the bag. Yes, I will show you. They are more brown in real life, and they are not the same like my Kelly bag. I actually will go and pick up my Kelly bag in gold color, so we will compare the colors. The shoes are always darker in the color. I've picked 38.5 this time because I have a white one in 38, and I thought that when in summer, when my feet are swollen, they are a little bit too tight, like here and in the lengths also, so I decided to go half size bigger. I just wanted to try the size bigger and ask my sales associate if they have any color in 38.5, and she said, yeah, we have all the colors now because it's not still a season, not summer soon, so we still have all the colors, but they will be sold out. So that's why I just bought them immediately in the same day. We also got some champagne with my friend. That was cute, and I'm bringing the bag now. I actually brought several bags which can suit to the shoe. First one is my Kelly bag, and it's in gold color, so you can see the shoes are not the same color. I already knew it, I already saw it, and I know it because the shoes are made on different factory, yeah. So they are in different factories, so they are not actually very suitable, but for me it's no problem. I know that they go good anyway. I have my Loewe Paula Ibiza bag for 3 years now, I think, and really happy with it. And look at this. This is much more, it's also not exactly the same color, but it's closer, so it actually suits good. If you see, also it has a strap in the same color, so with some white dress or with my new Malene Birger dress, which is beige color with black, it's also is good. I have also this bag from Stylemebetter in this darker brown color, and this, oh my god, this is perfect. They are like perfect together. This bag, I love it because it's like is it baguette or it's a hobo bag, but the only thing, like, I don't have a proper zipper here, so in the places where I want to be more safe, I can't take this bag with me, or I need to like go like that, hold it. So, but in Sweden I still can have it without problem. I have one more bag in the same color as Zara. This I bought in Dubai recently when we've been there in February. Were it in February? Yes, it was in February. And these they go perfect together, as you see. I love this Zara bag because of this color. It's quite good quality for to be Zara, and I also want to try this size, if I like it or not. If I use a lot of it, then I maybe can repurchase something more expensive. Yeah, I wanted to show you inside. Look how cute is it. It's actually has a lot of space inside. So this was my purchase purchases or my birthday purchases, my birthday presents for myself, and I still need to have your opinion. What do you think? Which bag should I keep and which should I return? I'm always grateful when you can support me with your comments and likes, and maybe even send my video to somebody so it will be useful for them to see. And for now, I wish you a very good day or evening. See you in my next one. Bye bye.